Hi everyone, we're back to another Chelegance video. Today we are checking out something really special for all CW and amateur radio fans. The Chelegance JKEY-P1 with dual pedal CW key. If you are into Morse code operation, you'll definitely want to see this one. Alright, let's get it open up. In the box, we've got the JKEY-P1 CW key itself, a 3.5mm connection cable, a wrench for adjustments, and a pair of optional carbon fiber pedals. That's everything you need to get started right away. Now taking it out, this thing feels solid. The first thing you notice is the weight. It feels rock solid on the desk. It's not going anywhere on your desk when you are operating. The base has a really stable, non-slip design, so even during fast keying, it stays locked in place. The finish is CNC machined, with very clean, precise edges and a professional overall feel. The pedals move incredibly smooth, thanks to the precision bearing system. You can immediately feel that this is designed for serious CW operators. The connect points are gold-plated, which should help with cleaner signal transmission and less noise or bounce. And the best part, everything is adjustable. You can fine-tune the gap and tension to match your own keying style. It uses a standard 3.5mm jack, so it should work with most modern radios without any issue. Very plug and play. No completed setup required. So the JKEY-P1 Elite feels a premium, stable, and highly responsive CW pedal built for both on-testing and long-operating sessions. If you want more ham radio gear reviews and CW-related content, make sure to subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next one. 73.